morning. It's still beautiful outside, so I'm going to eat quickly to take advantage of the weather. But first I'm going to show you my breakfast. So I prepped coffee, of course. I'm going to add some milk. See some milk in the bottle. And I made this, no, I didn't make it, but I poured some fromage blanc into this bowl. Fromage blanc is a very high protein yogurt. And I added this leftover strawberries from yesterday. I cut some into the bowl. I toasted 2 pieces of sourdough bread. I defrosted. It was in my freezer. And in the first one, I'm going to spread some butter, and with the second one, I'm going to have this goat cheese. It's a very soft and mild and creamy goat cheese, sorry. Perfect for breakfast, not very strong at all. And so I think I've showed you everything. Yeah, I showed you everything. So now I'm going to eat quickly, as I said. I think I'm going to go to the open market this morning. And yeah, I'm going to eat, and I will see you for lunch, and I'm going to take you along. I've just come back from the market, and this is everything I got. This market is beautiful. It's very different from Bastille because there are a lot of farmers. Whereas in Bastille, I would say 95% of the people there are just resellers. They are not real farmers. And maybe you have 2 to 3 real farmers in Bastille. While in this market, there's a lot of farmers, and the stands were beautiful, and there were a lot of colors, and it was very appetizing. And so I wanted everything, and so I got some eggs because I was running low. I got some this arugula, roquette, the spring onions because they look very good. I got some fresh beans. I like to have this in spring as an starter, not an appetizer, a starter with some salt. I got some coriander, cilantro, some chives. I got a baguette because they didn't have any sourdough bread, and I thought it was better because I'm going to have a picnic for lunch. So to make some sandwiches, it's more convenient than sourdough bread. So anyway, I got a baguette. I got a lettuce and some rhubarb because I thought it was beautiful. The color is very vibrant, and it caught my eyes. And so I'm going to try to make a dessert with this, with maybe some Greek yogurt and crème fraîche. And I've never cooked rhubarb before, so I'm going to try. Yeah, maybe with some crème fraîche. And I got some carrots. So yeah, unfortunately, this market is only on Friday and maybe another day during the week, but usually I work during the week, so it's not every Friday is not a bank holiday, unfortunately. So, but it's okay. I will go another time, maybe during a day off, or yeah, we'll see. So now I'm going to tidy up and to prep my lunch, my picnic, and I will see you later. This is my plate with tuna salad. So I made it with tuna, of course, some olive oil, some spring onions, some fresh beans, and some tomatoes too. And I don't know if I said this already, but I added some olive oil. Yeah, I've already said this. And so I have some boiled eggs, 2 boiled eggs, and added some lettuce. And I forgot to pull out my leftover vinaigrette. I'm going to add with to top the lettuce with, and for afterwards I have some comté, some bread, it's a baguette, and for dessert I pull out this applesauce. There's one with peach and the other one is with apricot, and of course I have some water too. So now I'm going to eat my meal and I will see you later. for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in my next video. À bientôt, au revoir.